Battle over the legacy of Jawaharlal Nehru escalated after both Sonia and Rahul Gandhi tore into the BJP government.
In a direct attack on the Prime Minister, the Congress Vice President has said that angry people are running the government. He also took a swipe at the Clean India campaign, which is the BJP government's initiative. Take a listen in.
प्यार का असर बहुत दूर तक होता है और आज क्या हो रहा है? आज वही प्यार की नींव, भाईचारे की नींव को तोड़ा जा रहा है। ये देश हमारा घर है। एक तरफ घर की पुताई हो रही है, भैया सड़कों को साफ करो, सड़कों को साफ करो। फोटो अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है, सब लोग सड़क साफ कर रहे हैं, और दूसरी तरफ जहर फैलाया जा रहा है, नींव कमजोर की जा रही है। और इनके खिलाफ एक ही संगठन लड़ सकता है। सिर्फ आप लोग लड़ सकते हो, सिर्फ कांग्रेस पार्टी लड़ सकती है। क्रोध को, गुस्से को सिर्फ प्यार मिटा सकता है, और एक ही संगठन है इस देश में, प्यार का संगठन, भाईचारे का संगठन, सबका संगठन, हर धर्म का, हर जात का संगठन।
Sneha is also joining us on this story. Sneha, we saw that both Rahul and Sonia Gandhi launched an extremely aggressive attack, not just accusing BJP of indulging in hate politics, but also taking a jibe at the Clean India campaign.
Well, yes, interestingly, in fact, the Congress Vice President categorically went on to speak about how the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is nothing but a photo opportunity. Interestingly, this was a platform meant to really kickstart the 125th birth anniversary celebrations of the former Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, but it turned extremely political with the Congress Vice President talking about how the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is nothing but a photo opportunity, and also saying that you can, go around the town, you can go sweeping the town using the broom, but you really can't get away by sowing the seeds of communal violence. Well, that's what he spoke about. In fact, not just the Congress Vice President, the Congress President also categorically spoke about how the legacy of Pandit Nehru is under attack, how his philosophy, how the tenets of what he taught, of what he believed in, all of that really is under attack, and that the Congress party is going to unite to fight those forces that are attacking Nehru's legacy. This was a message that really got sent out from this platform today, which was, of course, like I said, to kickstart the birth anniversary celebrations of Pandit Nehru. Not just that, like I said, this event was organized by the Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee. We do know that elections in the national capital are around the corner. Arvinder Singh Lavli did speak about communal tension in the national capital. That is something that also came across very, aggressively, the manner in which he spoke about how some forces in the country are actually working towards building communal tension in Delhi, which is poll-bound. That is something also that they touched upon.
And Sneha, it was a joint attack, not only the Congress Vice President, but the Congress President also, who spoke out, has said that there is an attempt to wipe out Nehru's legacy. Let's take a listen into what she said.
जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी के उस नजरिए को, जिससे वे भारत को देखते थे, जिसके हिसाब से चलते थे, उसको मिटाने की जबरदस्त कोशिश हो रही है। जो ताकतें ये कर रही हैं, उनका निशाना केवल नेहरू जी के व्यक्तित्व के प्रति नहीं, बल्कि उनकी विचारधारा, उनकी दृष्टि, उनके जीवन भर के संघर्षों, उपलब्धियों और योगदान पर भी है।